Hi, I'm going to make a couple home videos about my thoughts on learning to draw the different shapes of countries and bodies of water during geography time. I think it's really good, very helpful to our family to notice the shapes of things. I know that at the very beginning of homeschooling, we learned that the Mediterranean Sea was in the shape of a duck, and we thought, here's its head, we thought that we saw a bunny on its back, which would be right here, and its long ears going that way, and its little nose and its little arms in the air. And then this is its, we just thought the wing. The Black Sea, we remembered because a locomotive is black, and we thought that this looked like a locomotive train going along with some puffs of smoke out the back. The Caspian Sea we thought looked like a little teddy bear, but I won't get into that. So those are some of the ones that we saw in the Mediterranean Sea. I got a postcard once for people asking to pray for the peace in the Middle East, and it made the picture reminded me of an angel. So here's our Middle East, and so now we think of the Middle East as a picture of an angel with its wings and without the head. But there's our angel. Here's Turkey, that's one of the wings, and then the gown kind of comes this way, and then here's Iran. This is part of the other wing, and then we just remember that across these countries it goes Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan. So those are the little rhyme or the sayings that go across the angel for the Middle East. So as we get into drawing this year for the United States, I'm going to try to give you some other shape ideas to use, whether at home or in the classroom. Our first states that we will be drawing are this set of states, the Northeast there. And when I looked at those, I said, well, okay, I see kind of two things. First of all, this Maine looks like a head, and this section of states, to me, just taken as a bunch, looks like a rectangle. So I practiced drawing a rectangle, and then before I get to the end down here, I make a little kick out for the end of Massachusetts. Okay, just a little bit more than halfway down, I draw a line, and then I kind of in my mind think of a V, and that becomes the line for Vermont. So this is Vermont because it's got the shape of a V, and then this other side is New Hampshire. Now over here, starting about halfway down the middle of my box, I draw a cross and then kind of curve this way, and that is Massachusetts, and then divide that whole thing in half again, this whole bottom half, and then this would be the other two states, Connecticut and Rhode Island. And then about the same height as Vermont and Massachusetts, you kind of make two little lines that go up, the continuing, and then we've got kind of, this could be ears, and then if there was like an eye there, then you got the little nose coming, and then a roughly chin and throat coming down. So that's kind of what I would have the kids draw. Come up, an ear, a little nose, and then some roughly lines coming down for Massachusetts. And that's one way to use some of our drawing techniques as you draw the states. I'm going to stop there for right now.